Robots are no longer just science fiction. Around the world, engineers and scientists are building machines that can walk, talk, lift heavy objects, and even interact with humans. Over the past decade, robotics technology has advanced at an incredible speed. With the help of artificial intelligence, robots are becoming smarter, more capable, and more useful in everyday life. Some robots are designed to help in factories and warehouses. Others assist doctors in hospitals, while some are even being developed to work inside our homes. As technology continues to evolve, experts believe that by the year 2030, robots will become a much more common part of daily life. In this video, we'll explore 10 incredible robots that may exist or become widely used by 2030. These machines could transform industries, change the way we work, and even reshape the future of society. Let's take a look at some of the most fascinating robots that could soon become part of our world. One of the most talked about robots today is Tesla Optimus. Developed by Tesla, this humanoid robot is designed to perform tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or physically demanding for humans. Optimus is built to walk like a human, carry objects, and work in industrial environments such as factories and warehouses. Tesla's vision is to create robots that can assist with everyday tasks, from moving boxes in a warehouse to performing routine work inside manufacturing facilities. If development continues as planned, robots like Optimus could eventually help businesses increase productivity while reducing workplace risks. Another impressive robot is Atlas, created by Boston Dynamics. Atlas is one of the most advanced humanoid robots ever built. It is capable of running, jumping, climbing, and even performing complex movements like backflips. What makes Atlas so remarkable is its balance and agility. Unlike many earlier robots, Atlas can move across rough terrain and adapt to different environments. While Atlas is currently used mainly for research and development, its technology could eventually lead to robots that assist in construction, disaster response, and rescue missions. Digit is a robot designed specifically for logistics and warehouse work. Created by Agility Robotics, Digit is built to move packages and transport goods in large storage facilities. It walks on two legs and can carry boxes, making it well-suited for environments built for human workers. Companies such as Amazon are already exploring the use of robots like Digit to automate parts of their warehouse operations. In the future, robots like Digit could help businesses handle the growing demand for fast delivery and online shopping. Amaze is one of the most realistic humanoid robots ever created. Developed by Engineered Arts, this robot is known for its incredibly lifelike facial expressions and movements. Amaze can interact with humans, respond to questions, and display emotions through facial gestures. While it is currently used mostly for research and demonstrations, robots like Amaze could one day serve as assistants, educators, or even customer service representatives. As artificial intelligence improves, humanoid robots may become much better at communicating naturally with people. Sophia is one of the most famous robots in the world. Created by Hanson Robotics, Sophia is designed to interact with humans using artificial intelligence and facial recognition technology. Sophia can hold conversations, answer questions, and even participate in interviews and public events. While Sophia is still mostly a research platform, robots like her demonstrate how social robots may eventually help people in areas such as education, entertainment, and customer service. In the future, robots designed for communication may become much more common in daily life. Spot is a four-legged robot developed by Boston Dynamics. Often described as a robotic dog, Spot is designed to move across difficult terrain and operate in environments that may be dangerous for humans. It is already being used for inspections in factories, construction sites, and energy facilities. Spot can climb stairs, carry equipment, and collect data using cameras and sensors. In the coming years, robots like Spot could play an important role in industries where safety and monitoring are critical. Moxie is a robot designed specifically for hospitals. Created by Diligent Robotics, Moxie helps medical staff by delivering supplies, transporting equipment, and performing routine tasks. By handling these repetitive activities, Moxie allows nurses and doctors to focus more on patient care. As healthcare systems become busier and more complex, robots like Moxie could help hospitals operate more efficiently. In the future, medical robots may become a common part of healthcare facilities around the world. Pepper is a social robot developed by SoftBank Robotics. This robot is designed to interact with people in public spaces such as stores, banks, and hotels. Pepper can recognize faces, understand basic emotions, and communicate with customers to provide assistance. In some places, Pepper is already used to greet visitors, answer questions, and guide people through services. As customer service technology continues to evolve, robots like Pepper may become more common in businesses and retail environments. Amazon Astro is a home robot designed to assist with smart home technology. Astro can move around the house, monitor security, and connect with other smart devices. It can also act as a mobile assistant, helping users check on their home while they are away. As smart homes become more popular, robots like Astro may eventually become a normal part of home life. Future versions could include more advanced AI capabilities, allowing them to perform household tasks and provide assistance to families. The final robot on our list is the Xenex LightStrike robot. This machine is designed for hospital sanitation and infection control. Using powerful ultraviolet light, the robot can disinfect rooms and eliminate harmful bacteria and viruses. Hospitals use these robots to help reduce infections and maintain cleaner medical environments. As healthcare technology continues to improve, robots like LightStrike could become an important tool for protecting patients and medical staff. The world of robotics is evolving rapidly, and the robots we explored today are just a glimpse of what the future may hold. By the year 2030, robots could play a much bigger role in industries such as healthcare, logistics, manufacturing, and even everyday life at home. As artificial intelligence and robotics technology continue to advance, these machines may become smarter, more capable, and more helpful than ever before. The future of robotics is only beginning, and the next decade could bring innovations that completely change how humans and machines work together. If you're fascinated by future technology and the incredible machines shaping tomorrow, keep exploring the world of robotics and artificial intelligence, because the future may arrive sooner than we think.